My name is Eric Ledwell, and I am the safety captain for Team 3617 Cold Logic. And today we are going to be working on the safety presentation that I, safety captain, put together. Safety, everything you need to know to be safe and swaggy. The kids still say that, I think. Yeah. Tool safety, dress for the job, avoid loose clothing, jewelry, and tie back long hair. Jess. Always wear your safety glasses and any other appropriate PPE, personal protective equipment, so you know to be safe. Don't use broken, damaged, or dull tools. Report all impaired tools to the safety captain and or a mentor. Be aware of your surroundings. Make sure everyone is at a safe distance so that they will not be hurt. Do not distract others while they are using tools because they can get hurt. We don't want that. Always pass tools by the handle. Do not throw tools. Do not run with tools. Do not carry tools up ladders. And never carry tools in your pockets. You should never do that. When you're done, put the tools away, sheathe blades, and keep your workspace clean so then you know where everything is and nobody's going to be tripping over anything, and well, generally it's just going to be a more safer environment. PPE and first aid. PPE is the personal protective equipment. It is the equipment and accessories that one should wear when working with and around robots or in the pits. The number one thing, most important thing to remember to wear is your safety glasses. I have mine right here. We encourage you to design them to make them unique, so you will always remember to wear them, as long as they don't interfere with your actual sight, you know, so you can see everything. Another piece of very important PPE is gloves, like these. These are very, very useful if you're going to be working with things like tools that require equipment so you don't cut off your hands, because you need these to survive and to work with. You can't be on the team if you don't have hands. First aid. If something happens and someone is injured, immediately contact either the safety captain and or a team mentor. We will take care of said injury after completed, you know, after injury is fixed and everything and we're safe. We will put the status on our injury record to find ways to make sure that said problem doesn't occur again. Because, you know, if we can find ways to prevent them, we will prevent them. Battery safety. I did a lot of work on this one, I'm pretty proud of it. Battery safety. Obviously, batteries contain acid. So it is very important to know what you are doing when handling and working with batteries. Any battery that is visibly damaged in any way is dangerous and unusable. Don't take a chance, don't use it. First recommends that teams keep the following items readily available whenever working with batteries. A box of baking soda, which is like this, you know, to neutralize any exposed acid electrolyte. We should also get a pair of acid-resistant rubber or plastic leak-proof gloves to wear when handling a leaking battery, and a suitable non-metallic leak-proof container in which to place a defective battery. Here's some steps to neutralize and fix a leaking battery. Neutralize it by pouring this sodium bicarbonate on all wetted surfaces. The bicarbonate of soda in itself is not dangerous and will react with the acid and the electrolyte, leaving a safe residue that can be disposed of in a conventional manner, such as rinsing with water. Follow emergency handling instructions of the SDS and notify mentor. Put on gloves, rubber gloves. Place battery in a leak-proof container for removal. And place the battery, I already did that. Be sure to neutralize any acid on the gloves before removing them. If it's disposable rubber gloves, I guess just throw them away, I guess. Seek medical attention if skin came into contact with any chemicals, because, you know, you don't want a mutation. Properly dispose of the battery, which is now a hazardous material. So dispose that trash. You don't want that. It's not good. And then today I decided I'd show you guys this year's 2018 first safety animation entry video. This was done by one of the teams I don't know where from, but it's pretty cool.
Sleep to power up. Being alert is important for staying safe. Collect those safety glasses. Pick up parts and tools and put them away to score points. Oh no, a falling battery. Don't cross that acid pit. Know your team's procedures when dealing with hazards. Look out for that robot. Make sure it's disabled before you come near it. You're almost there, just a few more steps. Now you can level up for safety.
Yeah.